जी वेलकम टू यू इकरा खालिद, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग. आप एमपी हैं एंड आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? आज आज़ादी मेला में आप मौजूद हैं, इतनी दुनिया को सुन रही है, क्या कैसे लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर आके? सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए.
It's absolutely amazing. Hello Milton, assalamu alaikum.
Come on everyone, जरा respond हो, पता तो चले.
Assalamu alaikum Milton, how are we doing?
Okay.
मुझे थारी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, थोड़ा सा शोर कर दे. Assalamu alaikum Milton. It is so wonderful to be back here. I just want to be very quick. Dr. Rabia, thank you. Sahib. Nasir Shah Sahib, I was here earlier for flag raising and to celebrate with all of you today, and I'm back here because Milton, हम क्या कहते हैं Milton को कि छोटा मुल्तान है ना?
ناصر.
It's really nice. I just want to wish all of you a very happy Pakistan Independence Day. 76 years of independence, and we have such a beautiful community here in Milton and Mississauga and all around Canada. So thank you all very much. And a small token of appreciation on behalf of the Government of Canada and myself as Member of Parliament in Mississauga, Erin Mills, for Nasir Shah Sahib and for the whole team for putting together this beautiful show. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your wonderful evening.